Okay,
No.
we found a bomb and it does not look good.
We don't know if it is.
We think we found a bomb.
We don't know if it's
Found a bomb?
IED.
IED on the road. We need some help.
Hey, what's your location?
Just outside of Firebase.
This is Scott.
West side?
Say in between Firebase and Village on the road.
Village and Firebase, that's where we are on the road. There's a fucking bomb here.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Oh shit, boom, there we go.
I don't know if
We think we found a bomb!
IED.
We found an IED!
Identified.
IED! Go,
Identified and deemed destruction.
They're sending out the bomb diffuser.
they are?
I don't know.
Chris, go get him, right? Go tell him that we have an IED here.
Yeah, that does not look like a bomb diffuser. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
How do you know?
I can do
You
this,
never
guys.
know.
Guys, we got an IED here, IED. IED, don't touch it.
Follow wires like, it's like,
We got an IED.
A person with like a thing.
IED, the bombs. One of the bombs here. We need like one of the bomb squads to defuse this thing.
I guess maybe I should call someone radio or
I don't know what channel everyone else is on.
it's 13-1.
13-1?
Yeah.
Fucking idiot.
you just unplug it. They're like, the blue wire's already cut.
You see what that?
The blue wire.
We'll just let him know anyway.
Airsoft grenade or something.
No, it'll shoot up like dirt everywhere.
Yeah. Guys, we found an IED. I don't know if it's defused yet. Get over here. It's between Firebase and Village. Over.
Is that a bomb?
Yeah, I think so. It was a bomb at least. I don't know. We found an IED.
Dude, don't touch it. Just don't.
That one's already defused.
What?
Fail.
All right.